Let's review. Social studies. By organizing the Katipunan, armed struggle was the method to freedom chosen by A. Andres Bonifacio, B. Jose Rizal, C. Manuel Quezon, D. Graciano Lopez Jaena. The answer is A. Andres Bonifacio. Filipino. The ancient Egyptians used hieroglyphics as the ancient Filipinos used A. Balitaw, B. Alibata, C. Kalantiao, D. Abakada. The answer is B. Alibata. Science. The least harmful energy to the atmosphere because it does not emit pollutions is A. Fossil fuels, B. Slash-and-burn agriculture, C. Dry cell energy, D. Nuclear energy. The answer is D. English. Prose and poetry are two general types of the art form A. Literature, B. Emotional, C. Sentimental, D. Physical. The answer is A. Literature. Mathematics. A recipe for custard requires 4 eggs for every 8 cups of flour. The baker has 32 cups of flour, and so the baker will need eggs. A. 8, B. 12, C. 24, D. 16. The answer is D. If you want to get a detailed explanation of the answer, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow our social media for part 7.